Why does your scanner show the P14A0 engine code? What does it mean? P14A0 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust gas back pressure sensor open circuit or short circuit to earth. This engine code indicates that this code signifies a fault in the exhaust system's back pressure sensor or its wiring, which requires immediate attention to avoid potential engine damage and ensure vehicle functionality. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty exhaust gas back pressure sensor, wiring and connector issues, EGR system problems, ECM damage. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.